Skeleton Hiccups by Margrey cuyler. It's the same saying, but alright. Skeleton woke up. Hick, hick, hick. Had the hiccups. Hick, hick, hick. Hick, hick, hick. Took a shower. Brushed his teeth. Hick, hick, hick. Polished his bone. Hick, hick, hick. Carved a pumpkin. Hick, hick, hick. Played with ghosts. Hick, hick, hick. Ghost told skeleton. Hick, hick, hick. Hold your breath. Hick, hick, hick. Eat some sugar. Hick, 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 hick. Press your fingers. Hick, hick, hick. Drink some water. Hick, hick, hick. Upside down. Hick, hick, hick. Ghost made a face. Hick, hick, hick. Said boo to the skeleton. Hick, hick, hick. But nothing worked. Hick, hick, hick. Wait, hold up. I didn't even show any of the pictures. Hold up. Here. But nothing worked. Hick, hick, hick. The hiccups stayed. Hick, hick. The ghost got smart. Hick, 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 hick. Skeleton scream. H-I-C, H-I-C, H-I-C. Okay. The hiccups left. Hick, hick, hick. They jumped away. Hick, hick, hick. Hooray! Baby Curvler has written stories ever since she learned how to write. A children's book editor and author for more than 20 years. She now devotes most of her time writing. Many children's books include The 100 Day Warriors, illustrated by Arthur Howard, and The Biggest Best Snowman, illustrated by Will Helleburn. Margrey lives in her family in Pagrin, New Jersey, in a house that said she was said to be haunted by a ghost. SD, the censor of the illustrator of many books for children, including Big Pumpkin and the ALA notable book Don't Fidget the Feather. Both the Eka Silverman, How Santa Got His Job by Stephen Curry, and Johnny Applauds the Romance, and Stephanie Venon got Benelette. He lives in Paradise Village. That's just the one picture. And here's the. What's the best way to help a skeleton to get over bone grating, teeth shattering, belly hiccups? Don't miss these other curly words. Okay, that's the back. And that's the end. Hope you guys enjoyed me reading Skeleton Hiccups. If you want more, just comment if you want more. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.